Now the partner's capital account will be prepared. We will draw the format in the columnar form. WRC, 3 columns on the debit side and 3 columns on the credit side for individual partners will be prepared. Now the balances of the old partners in the balance sheet is given by balance brought down 60,000 and 40,000. The new partner C is bringing his capital in cash by cash account 30,000. He is, see here, cash account has been debited to C's capital account 30,000. So in C's capital account, cash account will be credited. Then here W and R have been credited for what? Premium for goodwill. So W and R have been credited. So in W and R capital account 6,000, 4,000 will be credited and by premium for goodwill account. Clear? Premium for goodwill account. Then your next entry, W and R have again been credited for their share of general reserve. So by general reserve 3,000 and 2,000. It's clear? Then half W and R have been debited for the withdrawal of the goodwill of the premium. So W and R have been debited. This is the debit side, and it is this has been debited 3,000, 2,000, and cash account was credited. So here we will write to cash account. It's clear? The same as we did in class 11 in respect of lecture. Now in devaluation account, W and R account have been credited. So in partners capital account, in W and R's account, devaluation account will be debited for the amount of loss 1,575 and 1,050. We will balance the capital accounts. The total of W, R and C on the credit side is 69,000, 46,000 and 30,000 respectively. The same should be over here, but it is short. W 64,425, R 42,950 and C 30,000. This is the balance in their capital. It will be two balance carried down, and on the opposite side, that is on the credit side, it will be brought down by balance brought down. 64,425 for W, 42,950 for R and 30,000 for C. Then after this, the next step will be the preparation of cash account. I have left the space for preparing the balance sheet and prepared the cash account in this small blank space. So cash account, particular amount. Now the opening balance of cash given in the balance sheet is rupees 12,000. C's capital account is 30,000. C cash account has been debited by rupees 30,000 for C and premium for goodwill 10,000. So in C's capital account 30,000 is for C's capital account, and for premium for goodwill is 10,000. Over here cash account has been credited. So we have posted this amount on the credit side of the cash account, but the debit, the accounts that were debited will be written over there. So W and R's capital account will be credited by W's capital account 3,000, by R's capital account 2,000, by balance carried down 47,000, and is the balance left, and two balance brought down is 47,000. Now we will prepare the balance sheet, and the format will be as given in the question as per the old balance sheet. So the old balance sheet starts with sundry creditors. So we will write sundry creditors on the liability side 20,000. This new creditor will be added to the 2,100, that is add unrecorded creditors. Total comes to 22,100. Now the balances of the partners capital account, that is 64,425 for W, 42,950 for R and 30,000 for C will be recorded over here. Now on the asset side, cash account. The new balance of the cash account that we have prepared will be shown over here. That is 47,000. Debtors were 18,000 as per the old balance sheet. Less bad debts 1,500. Balance left is 16,500. Less provision for bad and doubtful debts 825. So the balance left is 15,675. This is the amount of debtors. Now stock as per the old balance sheet was 20,000. 2,000 was the depreciation on the stock. We have subtracted it. 2,000. Stock value is now 18,000. Then furniture. In old balance sheet the value of furniture was 40,000, and it is mentioned that it is to be reduced by rupees 500. So 500 will be subtracted. 39,500 is the new value of the furniture. Plant and machinery in the old balance sheet is given at rupees 40,000, and it is mentioned that it will be depreciated by 8%. So 8% of 40,000 is 3,200 minus it. So 36,800 is the new value of plant and machinery. Then your investments, which has been mentioned that they were not recorded in the old balance sheet and is to be accounted for in the new balance sheet. So investments, which are assets, will be taken 2,500. We will total up the debit and the liability side and the asset side, and the total comes to 1,59,475 on both the sides. It means that whatever we have done is absolutely correct. So in admission of a partner, in retirement of a partner, in death of a partner, the tallying of the balance sheet, that is the total of the liability and the asset side being equal, is the indicator that your question is absolutely correct. It's clear? Now one more thing, this question I have done in the comprehensive manner. Tomorrow the same question I will do by just passing the journal entries. It's clear?